Ye tradeful merchants that with weary toil do seek most precious things to make your gain, and both the Indies of their treasures spoil, what needeth you to seek so far in vain? For lo, my love doth in herself contain all this world's riches that may far be found. If sapphires lo her eyes be sapphires plain, if rubies lo her lips be rubies sound, if pearls her teeth be pearls both pure and round, if ivory her forehead ivory ween, if gold her locks are finest gold on ground, if silver her fair hands are silver sheen. But that which fairest is but few behold, her mind adorned with virtues manifold.